Hey y'all, I'm Katrina of Katrina's Corner and welcome back. Today we have Outre Perfect Hairline Keeshon in the color DRST Silver Noir, and she is that girl, okay? And so I'm just going to tint the lace now using my contour and foundation shade. I mixed the two together on my hand and just use a foundation brush to rub it in. So after I tinted the lace off camera, I'm just pinning the wig down so that she's sturdy and doesn't move around while I'm customizing her. And if you want to know how I plucked Miss Keeshon's hairline and all of my other wigs' hairlines, actually, I have a full plucking tutorial featuring Miss Keeshon herself, tagged in the top right corner of the screen. So we had to grab the trusty She Is Bomb wax stick and the hot comb, with the hot comb setting on 5, of course. I'm so happy I found that daggone wax stick, y'all. I was struggling using Got To Be spray with the hot comb. But as you can see, this is why we use a hot comb, baby. We don't want no humpy dumpy behind wig. Ew. And we don't like that, okay? Humps for camels. So now I'm going in with a free spray that shall not be named, okay? Because we are boycotting them, period. To set the part and make sure that it doesn't move around with no flyaways. I'm moving on to doing the same wax stick and hot comb process along the hairline as well because I want that volume. Yes, meow. We want the hair standing at attention. Very much salute me. I'm the captain. What's up? And so we're going to set that in with the same spray that I used on the part as well. Hold it with a clip and call it a day and do the same thing on the other side.
Saw that. You're still going to just continue like.
And back to regular scheduled programming. I'm just adding that same tint that I added to the lace on my wig grip so that everything is cohesive. Now, I made a big mistake, y'all. Please do not cut your lace or call yourself trying to section out your lace before putting your wig on. I pulled this wig and tried to tug it down and literally almost ripped straight through the lace in the front. I'm so happy I stopped at the time I did because I ripped enough to scare myself, but ripped just not enough to be able to save and salvage this. But I was honestly hot and frustrated at me because who told me to do that? Who told me to do that? So now I'm just laying my lace with this spray. Now, if you don't know why the girls are boycotting this spray right now, I'm not going to give a whole rundown because that's not what my channel is for. At the end of the day, my job is just to show you how you can achieve laying your lace, like me, to the best of my abilities. So I'm going to link some good lace sprays that I think you can use to replace this one. And by next video, hopefully I would have replaced this one as well. Now I'm cutting my lace in a zigzag motion with these hair scissors. I just got some crafting scissors from Shein actually that cut in a zigzag for you. I'll try that in the next video because I have this wig I got in a giveaway and I definitely cannot wait to get this video out so I can get that one out. Now for all of my big headed girls, she is not big head friendly. She's more like a big head acquaintance. She cool or whatever, but when you call on her, she not really gonna be right where you need her. Like she gonna pull back on you sometimes. And that elastic band definitely does add more to how snug it is. So if you have like a flat braid down like I do, or straight hair or no hair, you should be fine. Now, for the life of me, I don't know why I didn't recognize I had too much lace on my ear tab in the video, but I eventually went back and cut more lace off. So, at least I don't look crazy in person with this wig, but yeah, sorry. So right here, I'm just taking that tint that I used for underneath the lace and on the wig grip to go over the top of the lace as you saw before. Just trying to make sure everything looks as cohesive together and scalp-like as possible. And here I am trying to disguise that little area where I made that mistake even further by combing that hair out so that it just falls nicely, hopefully hiding all the mistakes that are there. Okay, y'all. So we are all done. Take this hot behind jacket off. We're all done. I really should not have worn black. But oh well. My final thoughts on her. She is incredible. I was not expecting her to do so well, especially after I made that little rip mistake. That worked out perfectly fine. And this side ended up looking way better than this side. I feel, in my opinion, and this was the mistake. Like, explain. America, explain. This is all the hair to the front. I'm gonna show you the hair to the side. So off rip, she is the perfect everyday length for a wig, but not the perfect everyday texture. What I mean by that is that she was tangling on me maybe the third day after this video, and that's not good. Seeing as she's yaki texture, I can't just go in and flat iron it whenever I want to bring that silkiness back without having to give up that yaki textured look. Overall, I'm not convinced she's gonna last long unless you cut it. Now, I will say, she is kind of thin at the back, so like I'm not going to be parting her much. She's definitely going to be rocked very, very simple. It's not a very simple everyday color, I feel, for a simple everyday hair look, but I thought because she is so simple, she is so everyday, I didn't want to give her baby hairs. And I'm very happy that I didn't. This is my first time ever installing a wig and not doing baby hairs. Fun figgity fact. And I gotta make this fast because my camera is going to run out of space soon. I literally can see it. Mind you guys, please forgive me. I have been gone for so daggone long and I'm upset at myself. I hope you guys aren't upset at me. I appreciate if you're not upset. I understand if you are upset. Please keep rocking with me. Your girl has been going through stuff. I'm a makeup artist now, so it's like a lot going on. And I'm just, oh, I love this hair. I can't stop looking at it. I can't stop looking at it, girl. I can't stop looking at it. She is very snug, but I feel like with the way that she's snug, I've had wigs this snug before, like the last one I did. By the time that I was like editing it, that thing is loose. It's a slip on and throw off. So I feel like she's gonna stretch out like a good pair of new shoes. She's gonna stretch out. And you can see a little bit of my like lace because of the lights that I have on right now. But in this mirror, you can't see this lace. So I know in person, you ain't really gonna be able to see this lace. And with that being said, I'm gonna need y'all to do something new. Something we ain't never done. I hope my hands didn't sound as dry as they feel. Go ahead and do your homework. I'm gonna need you to hit that like button in that comment section to show me your work. Go ahead and graduate for me. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss anything I upload. And stay prayed up. This world is crazy. Peace.